It's a 2013 Kia Sorento. From the moment you close the door, a refined and secure feeling from the safety features, quality, and overall value surrounds you. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and wireless audio streaming. New Car Test Drive notes the Kia Sorento is a fully equipped midsize crossover SUV that's smooth and quiet with responsive handling. Kia, dependable today and way down the road. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.